Welcome to Computics Technologies.
Welcome to this video on NoSQL, the database technology powering today's biggest apps and platforms. In this session, we will explore what NoSQL is, why it's different from traditional relational databases, and how it helps developers handle massive amounts of data with speed and flexibility. NoSQL is a type of non-relational database system that handles unstructured or semi-structured data in flexible formats like key value, document, wide column, or graph models. Unlike traditional SQL databases that use rigid table-based schemas, this approach provides horizontal scalability and is ideal for applications dealing with big data and real-time web applications. The term NoSQL can mean not only SQL, as many NoSQL databases support SQL-like query languages. Contrary to SQL databases, NoSQL databases use dynamic schemas, support various data models to address diverse applications needs. One defining characteristic of non-relational databases is the use of dynamic schemas. Unlike the predefined fixed schemas of relational databases, non-relational databases allow for flexibility. Different records in the same database may have different fields. For example, in a customer database, one customer may have a name and age field while the other has a name and email field. There are various types of NoSQL databases. Document stores utilize a flexible JSON-like structure to store data as documents. They are useful for handling complex hierarchical data and support dynamic schemas. They are most commonly used in content management systems, e-commerce platforms, and real-time applications. A popular example of this system is MongoDB. Key value database. This is the simplest form of NoSQL database where each unit of data is stored as a key value pair. These systems are efficient and useful in scenarios where lots of data needs to be accessed quickly with fast response time. Two popular examples of key value NoSQL databases are Redis and Amazon DynamoDB graph database. These databases represent relationships between data entities. Thus, they are most useful in scenarios where when relationships are important, such as in social networks or recommendation systems. Two popular examples of graph databases are Neo4j and Amazon Neptune. Column family database. Column family databases represent data in columns instead of rows. They are best for large scale distributed systems and systems that read and write, often such as time series applications and IoT applications. Commonly used column family databases include Apache Cassandra and HBase. A few of the most commonly used NoSQL database systems are MongoDB, popular document-oriented NoSQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-like JSON documents, providing scalability and high performance for diverse data types. Cassandra, a distributed and highly scalable NoSQL database assigned for handling large amounts of data across multiple servers with a decentralized architecture, making it suitable for high speed, high volume applications. Redis, an in-memory data structure store known for its speed and versatility, serving as a caching mechanism, message broker, and key value store with support for various data structures like string, hashes, and sets. NoSQL databases have transformed how we store and manage data, offering scalability, performance, and freedom from rigid schemas. Whether you are building a real time app, handling unstructured data, or preparing for large scale growth, NoSQL provides the foundation you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for much more tech insights.